Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to use the fact folder. The icon for the fact folder is this file folder with the magnifying glass. The fact folder is found on the Research and Writing toolbars. It's a great tool for organizing your sources when writing a paper. To see how it works, I've searched the word preamble and found a site that I would like to use as a source. If we highlight some text, and then click the fact folder icon, a dialog box will appear. I like to take the highlighted text and put it in the description. Then you can title it how you would like. And let's change the author so that it's the person who wrote the article. We can also select a category to help us keep our facts organized. So I've already made a preamble folder. You could just add another one here. Select it and hit OK. The categories come in really helpful if you're writing multiple papers at a time or even multiple papers in a semester because it helps you keep your facts organized by paper. So we'll click OK. And now to review our fact, we'll choose the drop-down menu next to the icon and select Review Facts. So this is the last fact that we've added. You can see in this dialog box. So we can see our description down here. We can delete a fact. So let's delete this one. You can also select a fact and edit the information, and that will just open this dialog box again. You can go to the link that is associated with this fact, and you can insert it into a Word document as a bibliography. So it will actually create a Word document for you. So if we select our fact and choose to export, we can choose what format, click OK, and then here is our bibliography. So it puts, what category you were looking at, and here's where you can change the category, this drop-down menu right here. So you can choose My Facts, the preamble, or the preamble paper, and that will show us just our one fact that we did. It will show you the content of that fact, and then what we titled it, our description, the author, and the date. And then it will compile that information into a bibliography. You can also save images from the web by selecting the drop-down menu and Add Web Image. Then you hover over the image you want to use, and then you can click it. This will bring up the dialog box again. And then we can add it to a paper the same way. So here it will display our fact. And if we select this fact and export it to the Word document, it looks like this. And that would allow you to copy and paste that image into your paper. And then also it creates the bibliography for you to put in at the end. So this is a really great tool to stay organized when you're writing. You can use it to keep your sources for paper separate, and the description allows you to quickly find what you need for a specific point.